keyboard and went, I think I'm going to write myself a rain song today. Now, I wrote it A originally, and one day I'm cleaning the house, doing dishes, and I'm singing it, and I'm going, that doesn't sound like A. So I got my guitar, and it was in the key of, I was singing in the key of G then. I went, I've been playing it in the key of G ever since. So it was written in A, now it's in the key of G, and who knows, anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. It hasn't stopped raining since yesterday morning. It's been wet spring, more lightning than I've ever seen. Flood water still rising. Twisting winds haven't been so kind. Tonight I'm saying a prayer. There's always good days after the rain. I just need to fix a couple of things, make some things better, while leaving others alone. Decide what's important to analyze and our home after the rain. I call on friends to help with my roof. Sure had a lot to fix. My neighbor has his chain fall out. Every fallen tree comes next to crazy storm cause damage. Most everywhere we look, still it looks like today that sun's gonna shine. There's always good days after the rain. It looks like we'll need to fix a lot more things, make some things better, while leaving others alone. Decide what's important to analyze and our own after the rain. After the the morning came, the storm passed, and just like our love, this town's gonna last. With love and kindness, we'll make it through this pain. After the rain, after the Very good.
Central Station.